Hi friends, this is Har. Thanks for watching for today's video. Hope you enjoy Ayungon Province from the air. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. From here in the mountain of Negros, you can see the ocean and Cebu Island. As you can see, we were on the top of the mountain of Awan Cafe. If you're planning to visit here, I'm sure you will enjoy because the air is so fresh and cool. And while taking photos, you can also enjoy the refreshments from their cafe. That's my sister Marvy and my brother-in-law AJ enjoying the day. And there's Tom and I flying the drone. Very nice overlooking farm and jungle. Now time to land the drone and we're ready to our next destination. It took us a while from Tanawan Cafe to Banban Binhi Eco Park because of the road. One resident there said that the man-made lake was so very deep that no one can swim. Beautiful overlooking view of the rice fields below the dam. That's us standing near the lake. We all waves as the drone flying over our heads.
This is Tom. This is where I got a lecture, and Har told me don't fly the drone over the water because I was going to crash and lose it. As you all can see, I really need a lot of practice with the drone making slow movements instead of fast, jerky ones. But all in all, it was a great time. No matter where we go in this beautiful country, it's always amazing sceneries. Now it's time to bring the drone in for its last landing and a couple-hour drive back to Har's home in Ayungon. Thanks for watching. We really enjoyed the day.